This video is created by Google VEO 3, which is the powerful tool which creates high-quality videos by which you can create stories and other stuff and earn handsome amount. And the best part is that I am giving the method to create it for 100% free. Before that, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that we will learn, earn, and grow together. So let's start now. Firstly, write Google Cloud Boost on the Google and click on First Website. You will see this type of interface. After that, click on Join and create your account. Follow the same procedure, otherwise you will not get it for free. I will sign up with my Google account. After that, fill all the required details. Here, enter your birth data and then click on Continue. This is the best and free methods to claim Google VEO 3. Now here, click on Explore and search for Generative AI. Now from here, select third one, Generative Vertex AI. Now on the left corner, you will see the option of Start Lab. Click on that, and again, fill CAPTCHA. Now you have to wait some time. Now right-click on Google Cloud Console and open it in incognito window. Then click on I understand. Now after that, you will see your student ID. Don't change it. Select United States and country. After that, check the box and click on the Continue. Now the account setting is done. Enter this now see on the left side. Here you will see Vertex AI and then click on Magic Studio. Now here, click on VEO. Finally, this is the last step. Here you have to give the prompt now. You can write anything, any story, and also you can generate it by ChatGPT. I will recommend you to create stories content. It's also the best niche to rank. From the right side, you can select the range of seconds. Select VEO fast. Now it will take some time and generate the results. CVS have generated high quality videos for us. Let us try one of them. From here, you can download the video. Now get this VEO account for free and generate unlimited videos.